Up until now, we've been talking about ways to import images. Once we have an image inside Photoshop, after we've worked on it, you'll be able to export the document into various image formats. So let's return back to the Start menu and press on the Open button, and return to the Exercise folder. Look for the EP 2.5 folder, and you'll find this image, a computer desk. computerdesk.jpg. So click on that. Once again, we've imported this image, and you'll notice that at the upper left Document tab shows the file name along with the image format. The image format is always to the right of the period. In this case, the image is a JPEG. Photoshop can save this image into other image formats. Let's go under File menu, and here you'll notice a link called Export. You might be tempted to select that, but that feature is a bit more complex for these tutorials and geared for a more advanced course. Instead, we'll keep things simple. We'll focus on Save As. Now you'll notice that you also have the Save option. In this case, Save is ghosted out. Save As appears as an option when you've manipulated the image or when the image is locked. If you did not manipulate the image, and if the image is unlocked, both Save and Save As are shown as options. The Save As option always allows you to save an image in a different image formats. Let's go to File, Save As, which will open the Save As dialog box. And if you look under the Format drop-down menu, you'll see the different options available. And if you notice at the very top field next to the Save As, you can edit the image name, but notice the extension remains at JPEG. When you've selected a different image format, the extension at the top field changes. In Photoshop, there are two types of image formats: single layers and multi-layers. Let's click on the next video to discuss the single layer images.